Yes, Hobby Life with Ike Felling. I'm here in my solar power house for my farm, my garden. This powers everything I do on my premises, okay? So I just want to quickly show you something. Here is my inverter and breakers, changeover, different breakers and power changes over. Then the charge controller. I have over almost 3,000 watts worth of power coming in at full sun for now, which I am still going to upgrade. I'm still going to upgrade later. So it's morning now. It's morning. It's about 7 a.m. The sun is just coming up, and this is what we have. So I just want to quickly show you something I did. Don't look at all this. I installed it myself, so I'm not. I just made it looking rough and all that here because this is like a workroom for me. There's gonna be a time when I'll come and make sure that all these wires are carefully put in wire PVC pipes to make everywhere neat. That's gonna be when I'm doing a total upgrade of this messy looking structure. Okay, so what I came here to do is to show you a setting I did for my inverter that whenever it gets to 50% DOD, that's depth of discharge for my batteries, it will cut off. Right now, there's no light. It has cut off because of some load. It's early morning here. The sun is just coming up, and we had heavy loads running. So before putting it back on, I decided to come here and make this video to show you guys. So I use this Felicity power inverter. It's a big one. It does a lot of work. And Felicity 250 amps charge controller. I'm gonna double this setup because I'm expanding the facility. Okay. So now the inverter is off because it has gotten to that 50% and it has stripped off. There's no light. If there was light, you'll see it here. And this will be on also, but it's off. So let me just quickly show you what I did to set it at 50% depth of discharge. Okay. So here we're just going to get it back on. Yeah, it's back on. Come over here. You see that light? That means we have power now. There's power in the premises. And if you check here, you see the battery signal is at 50%. That is the setting. It's at 50%. But when you come to the charge controller, you see the battery? The battery is showing 100, showing 25 volts, and it's 100. Let me show you guys. I don't know, can you see it? That's the battery. So the charge controller, the inverter is showing 50%, but the charge controller is showing 100%. It's just a simple setting to safeguard your batteries so your batteries last longer. If you don't want your batteries going lower than 50%, you just put up this setting. The setting is actually from the inverter. So when it gets to that 50% reading on the inverter, it cuts off. So, and keeping the battery at 50% at all time. That way your battery is going to last longer. You're going to have longer use of that battery. So now I'm using tubular batteries, 4 of them. I intend to swap them off and bring in lithium batteries in my next upgrade. So in our next video, I'm going to show you the settings exactly from this inverter, just in case you have this type of inverter, but it applies to many other high-end inverters. You can do them also. You can do that programming also. It involves some programming. So the next video, I'm going to cover that. Yeah. And in case you have any questions concerning solar setup and solar installations. We do it. We do it. Then when I'm upgrading and cleaning up this place, I'm going to make sure I record it and upload it for you guys so you guys see clean, professional setup. And some other ones I've done, they are also in my videos. You can check. You see them also there. So this is Phelim, and you're tuned into the hobby life with Ike Phelim. Do have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.